Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixelLab, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a photo. Adjust the photo, crop the photo, select the crop. Remove the background, select the erase color. Enable button down, adjust the photo and then select the 3D shape. Enable button down. Select the path 10, select the Y rotation. Then select the text option, edit by rating. Select the size option, adjust the size, the font option, adjust the font, and then select the shadow option. Enable button on. Select the 3D text option, then select the 3D shadow option. Enable button on. Change the background, select the color option, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.